Brad, do you share this observation that creativity for the first time plays a role in pharma communications and pharma advertising?
Absolutely. I think the whole industry's changed quite dramatically now. I'd even say so in the last 5 years. There's been a real influx of great creative coming through. I think that's happened due to the talent pool has really opened up. I think we've had a real influx of consumer people moving over from the consumer world and into the pharma categories. And I just think that helps raise the overall standard. And I think the work that we're starting to see now at some of the more recent award shows is really starting to show that. I think some of the work really can compete in the consumer world and stands out for being some really interesting creative thinking.
Is one reason that it's harder and harder to cut through and to reach decision makers in, for example, hospitals? So you need creativity to become relevant?
Yes, it's a tricky question, that one. I think there are many restrictions in the healthcare world, we know that. But I think you always have to look at these challenges and try and find interesting ways around it. And I think now with the mindset of certain people in the industry, I think we are finding interesting ways of cutting through. And of course, that's what's leading to some interesting solutions.
How do you convince clients to become more brave and more creative?
It's an interesting question. I think the one thing that stands out for me is there are clients now with pharma companies that want to do interesting creative work. They want to stand out. They want to create work that really cuts through to their market. And I think as much as agencies want to do that work, you need clients that want to do that with you. You need to do it hand in hand. And I think if you can do that and they get on board and they see the results that it actually brings, I think they're now starting to move away from the old-fashioned style of healthcare advertising. And that's why now is a really exciting time, because there are clients that are wanting to go on this journey as well.